Why do I ejaculate when I sleep? Nocturnal emission. Night discharge is mainly regarded as harmless and a sign of good health if it is occasional. In young boys, it indicates that the reproductive system is approaching maturity, and in adults, occasional discharge means sound health and an active reproductive system. It becomes a problem only when the frequency becomes higher. Although no general number can differentiate between healthy and harmful frequency for all boys and men, more than twice a week is regarded as high and a problem. Too frequent night discharge is a symptom of physical or psychological disorder. From the time a male achieves adulthood until he dies, the reproductive system produces sperms. It may slow down with age, quality and the number of sperms may reduce, but the process will continue. Sperms produced by testicles are kept stored in the testicular bag. The prostate gland and seminal vesicles are other organs that are actively involved in semen-producing process. These organs produce seminal fluids that accompany sperms. These organs become active and release fluids when a male gets excited, but these do not have any place to store already released fluids. When a male gets excited, the sperms and seminal fluids travel and get mixed in the urethra. Nerves of the male's genital region keep the urethral opening closed and allow semen to pass only when the male wants to. Weaknesses in nerves, overactive nerves, congestion in the prostate gland, full urinary bladder are a few reasons for lack of control over the flow of semen during sleep. These can bring nocturnal emissions frequently and make problems graver if not appropriately treated. In this video, you will know how to stop ejaculation while sleeping. Natural supplement. Frequent nocturnal emissions can have physical and psychological causes. Natural supplements are the best to handle a problem that may arise for various reasons. In case of frequent nocturnal emissions, some herbs have been trusted since old times for their efficacy. Natural supplements provide a convenient and safe way to use the benefits of all these herbs with every dose and gain riddance from the problem for the long term. In many cases, males do overcome the problem somehow but become a victim again in a short time. If not treated holistically, this problem keeps on resurfacing. NF Cure capsules are very reliable natural supplements to stop ejaculation during sleep. These come with herbs that improve a male's nervous system and hormonal balance to keep nerves and reproductive system energetic. This supplement also flushes out harmful hormones released during stressful and anxious conditions during the day. Low energy, chronic fatigue, and less sleep also increase the chances of nocturnal emissions. This supplement is beneficial for alleviating conditions like low energy and poor sleep quality. If you want to know how to get NF Cure capsules discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Congestion around the prostate gland, inflammation of the prostate, and weak urethral muscles allow semen to pass out on slight pressure or arousal. This supplement treats prostate congestion and inflammation and strengthens the urethra to prevent the problem from occurring. Along with these, NF Cure capsules come with herbs that improve sperm production and increase the thickness and quality of semen. Watery or thin semen passes out quickly on slight pressure and brings semen discharge while sleeping at night. Semen discharge while sleeping at night affects a male's overall health. It can aggravate fatigue, promote tiredness and lethargy, and affect a male's mental health by depriving him of sound sleep. This problem lowers fertility and strain reproductive organs to make them sluggish and weak. Males facing nocturnal emission frequently have pale skin, socket around eyes, poor focus, lesser muscle mass, and low libido. This problem in young boys can stunt their physical and mental growth, and in adults can harm their vitality, virility, and make them frigid. Conclusion. Nocturnal emission is a symptom of a problem. Holistic treatment that can address the physical, behavioral, and psychological causes of the problem can only provide long-lasting relief. The use of natural supplements provides holistic treatment and reverses the damage caused by the problem to males' health and virility. Natural treatment is safe and works for males of any age. World's finest sperm leakage cure.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy NF Cure capsules from naturogain.com. The product link is given in the video description.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.